Hey everybody, this is John and welcome to the free video. So our patience has paid off today. We got a nice string of kind of pops from some squeezes that had been developing. Red Hat, this one popped up today, had a nice breakout. We've got the December options, so we still have 29 days here. So I'd like to continue to be patient on this and see if we can potentially get a little bit more of a run into that time frame. Of course, we'll keep an eye on it. W-Day, also one that we had picked up, had a nice pop up today. And then GWRE. This is one where what's been nice is we bought this one, and then as it was trading sideways, it actually really held on to its value pretty good, simply because we have options that are the same month as earnings. And you can see here it's got, while the options that expire this month have 24% implied volatility, next month, and it continues to climb, it's over 40%, and it's climbing, so that when we were sitting there and the stock was trading sideways, the options really didn't lose that much value. So that's what's great about, even though these options are more expensive, but with the IV rising like that, it helps to kind of make that up and to do that, which is great. One of the things I've been watching here in this market, of course, has been the yen. And just keep in mind that if the yen here does kind of explode higher, that could put some downward pressure on stocks. One thing that I've seen to be a little bit more accurate has actually been the Nikkei stock market. So this is the Japanese stock market. So if this is something you are able to track, this has been very, very reliable for intraday action. Okay. And then from there, these are some positions I'd set up for monthly expiration. Not this one's a little bit longer term play. That's December. But for Tesla, we've got the 2 standard deviation straddle. So far, so good on that one. Roku, this is a straddle. Ironfly, we set up today for $40. We'll see where that ends up. And then Home Depot, we've got a 170 fly plus the 165, 160 put credit spread. And had a solid day today. Any additional strength there would help that one out. And then, of course, one of the things I've been watching too is Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin with GBTC had a solid move here today, and of course you can trade the actual currency itself. And here's some more info on that. So we're pretty excited to launch this. This is something that we've been doing for the last 4 years. Just kind of as a, hey, this is fun. There's Bitcoin, now there's Ethereum. We started taking payments in Bitcoin 4 years ago on our site. We've been trading it fairly actively. And so we've had a lot of questions about it, and people have asked, like, can you show us what you're doing? So this is our special invitation, and this is going to be a charter rate. And if you guys don't know what a charter rate is, that's kind of a, hey, we're starting this off. Anybody who wants to join us on this journey gets a lower rate that's locked in forever. But this is going to be a service where we're focusing on the cryptos, not just Bitcoin, but all the altcoins. Not only, and we're going to be doing trading signals. It's like nobody knows how to do this stuff because they've just started looking at it. And so we've been doing it for a while. We've seen what works. And so if you go to simplertrading.com/crypto, for a short time here, we will lock in the ability for you to do a charter membership on this. So what does that entail? And you can go through the page and read this in more detail, but I just want to give you some of the specs here. So you're going to get nightly videos and recaps of all the, again, all the ones that are moving. Again, it's not just Bitcoin. There's a lot of other altcoins out there too. We're going to have alerts. The crypto market, as you guys know, never sleeps. It trades on the weekends. We will have alerts. A learning center, so you can learn everything you ever wanted to know about cryptocurrencies, because they can be a little overwhelming at first. Some cheat sheets, breakout sessions, and our own personal short-term and long-term watch lists. So this is how the charter membership is going to work. And you'll notice up here that there is a countdown timer. So for these rates, again, they're just going to be for charter members who are like, okay, I get it, I want to do this, so you can lock this out. After this is done, we'll bump the monthly up to $97. So what's going to happen and what's going on with this is that with the monthly subscription at the charter rate, you get to sign up and start getting all the alerts and everything that you were looking at. For $497, you will get a class that we're going to do in December. So a full-on 4 to 5 hour Saturday type class where we take a deep dive into these currencies, plus 3-month subscription. And then the best deal is a yearly charter where you get a year of the service. Okay, so an annual membership to the service. You get the bonus class and then also a hardware wallet. And if you're not sure what that is, that's the most secure way to store your cryptocurrencies instead of having them online. If you've got a large balance and you're worried about it getting ripped off online, and we'll show you how to secure it online too, this is the safest way to do it. So anyway, this is awesome. It's it's the wave of the future. Obviously, I'm still going to be doing a lot of stuff with options for the cryptocurrencies. The guys here in the office that do it, Jared, Taylor, and anytime like Roggy and I have questions about it, we ask them. They've been doing a deep dive into it, and so they're going to be providing the alerts and things like that too. And I'll be diving on there, and it's just awesome. It's the wave of the future, and looking forward to, for those of you that are fanatics about this stuff as we are, or you're just curious, this is a great way to learn about it and to do it. So looking forward to having you guys join us on it. All right, you guys have a fantastic evening, and we'll see you at the next update.